Hey there, in this video I'll demonstrate how to connect SendGrid to your website for improved email delivery. So first ensure you have the SendGrid API key by going to your SendGrid dashboard, go to settings, go to API keys, and you can go ahead and give it a descriptive name and choose your key permissions. And then click on Create and View. Next, you'll need to access your website server or back. Then locate your email configuration file or settings and then update them with SendGrid's SMTP details. All right, test the setup by sending a test email from your website to check that SendGrid is handling your emails correctly. And that's it. SendGrid is now connected to your website. Subscribe for more web development tips, and if you haven't tried SendGrid yet, click the link in the description for a free trial.